Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and in today's video I will be doing some oven roasted turkey wings. And for this recipe, here I have 3 pounds of turkey wings, and in here I have salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, and I also have kickin chicken seasoning, which is optional. Here I have my green seasoning and my extra virgin olive oil. Let's get right into seasoning. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of olive oil because the turkey wings, they tend to have quite a bit of fat and I do not want to overdo it with the oil. Followed by my green seasoning. Just pouring out the seasoning. Now I'm just going to mix it all together. So the meat is all seasoned. I'm going to cover with plastic wrap. I am going to allow it to marinate overnight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So I transferred the turkey wing to one of my baking dishes. I also went ahead and added some gravy browning. And of course, it is my fave, my Grace gravy browning. Now, if you're unable to find browning, you can also use dark soy sauce, dark cooking soy sauce. I'm going to cover this up with some foil. I'm going to place it in the oven. I'm going to allow it to cook. Now, it takes just over an hour to cook. And halfway through, I'm going to take it out, remove the foil, and I'm going to be basting. So I'll see you guys in about 30 to 35 minutes. Also, halfway through, I'm going to be adding some additional seasoning. I'll be going in with onion, garlic, peppers, just to enhance the flavor halfway along. I don't like adding it this early in the cooking because I feel like it wilts down a bit, and I don't really like that. I like to add it halfway through. So when I come back on for basting, I will also be adding some seasoning. So here it is, and it's about 35 minutes, and I'm going to do some basting. And in here I have onion and garlic, peppers. I'm using both bell peppers and seasoning peppers, which is also called pimento peppers. I'm adding these at that point. I also have some rosemary and some fresh thyme in here. And back into the oven this goes to complete the cooking process, and it will go back in for about another 30 minutes. The turkey wings in the oven are all done. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I do look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to the next one. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye.